Hello everybody, I got here is the Hyper Tough with wacker, with heater, and this is the 10-inch one. Anyway, as you can see, the string is empty already. It came up. I don't think it was secured right. Anyway, to replace the spool and put a new string on it, there's a tab here, something you can push here. There's one here. And there's another one here, so there's two, one on each side. So just put your finger there, thumb here, and push, and so come up, and here's the spool. And as you can see on the orientation, there's a sign here, say rewind line, rewind line, rewind line. The back of it is the gears. Alright, so this thing uses 0.065 inch string line, and I have here is from my old Black & Decker string, and this one uses up to 16.4 inches, 16.4 feet of line. This one has 30, so I'm just gonna cut this in half and show you how to restring it. Take this out. I'm just gonna cut this in half first, off camera, and we'll start restringing this on this spool. Right. So like I said earlier, this thing can hold up 16.4, probably more. Anyway, here's the one I cut already. So what you do is bend this one. Alright, so once you bend the line, there's a hole here, so you just put that right through there. Now pull and see it's tight. Now the arrow say this way, so you're gonna go with the arrow. So this one should be, this line should be about 15 feet, probably less. Okay, I'm done with the restring it. So it's about 15 feet actually, what's left here, so pretty good. Anyway, to put this in, gear going in, sorry, this go into this hole here. There's a hole right here. Camera, can you see it? Right here, there's a hole. Put the string in the hole. Don't worry about having extra. There's a blade here anyway. I'll cut it anyway, and just put that in. Gear down, the rewind line up, and pretty much that's it. And just put the cover back on, the cap. And you're done. Now you have a new string in there. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped. See you next time. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.